Welcome to DGold Company. DGold AUTOLET, the company that is shaping the future of transportation. A revolution in mobility, from street to sky. Flying cars, that fascinating blend of automobiles and airplanes, have intrigued human imagination for decades. From science fiction movies to real engineering endeavors, the idea of a vehicle that easily transforms from road to sky sparks hope for faster, more efficient, and less congested transportation of the future. Flying cars are not just a dream, they are becoming an increasingly close reality that could transform the way we live and travel. The jet-powered flying vehicle of the future. Designed for vertical takeoff, intelligent navigation, and zero-emission travel. Supported by the SERBIA AI system for autonomous control and route optimization. A revolution in mobility. The potential advantages of flying cars are enormous. Reduced traffic congestion. Transitioning to three-dimensional transport would significantly relieve roads, especially in overcrowded cities. Faster transport. Flying above traffic jams would drastically reduce travel time. Accessibility to remote areas. Flying cars could enable easier access to hard-to-reach locations. New business opportunities. The development, production, maintenance, and management of this new type of transport will create new industries and jobs. Despite the challenges, this technology is already becoming a reality. The current focus is on the development of safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly eVTOL vehicles for urban air transport. Tests are being conducted, prototypes are being refined, and regulators are gradually working on establishing the necessary frameworks. Write history with us. We don't follow standards, we set them. DGold Company.